Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to log payments from Razorpay to Google Sheet. So here my objective is whenever any successful payment can be done into my Razorpay account, then automatically all the leads will be added into my Google Sheet as a new row. So to automate this entire process, I am going to connect my Razorpay to my Google Sheet. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. In this video, we will learn as soon as we have received one order submission, then automatically all the details of our customer will be stored into our Google Sheet like this. Now, if you want to create this amazing automation in where you can connect your Razorpay account to your Google Sheet, it is only possible by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So, let's get started. At first, you have to open a new tab into your browser and search pabbly.com/connect. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an online automation tool that helps you to connect or integrate different apps and services without coding. This is right over here is Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced similar challenges like you. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. So the link to join this amazing community is in the description box. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. As if you are an existing user, then you can click on this sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a workflow, so I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. Here on in this folder section, you can create multiple folders by clicking on this plus button. Here it will ask you for the folder name as well as select the parent folder. After that, you have to click on this create button. Then your folder will be created successfully to your Pabbly Connect account. And in this home section, you can see the status of your workflows. Here you can see it will provide you two types of workflow builder, that is new, beta and classic, where it is for modern, faster and more flexible workflows, as well as this is for stable and familiar approach. Here I am going with this. Then you can see it will provide us one create workflow box where it will ask us to provide the name of the workflow. So here I am providing the workflow name, that is log payments from Razorpay to Google Sheet, where I am going to select the folder as home. After that, I am going to click on this create button. Here you can see your workflow is created successfully. Then you can see it will ask you for the trigger application. That I'm going to simply select my trigger application as a Razorpay. Here I have selected. Then I'm going to select the app event as payment captured. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me one webhook URL that I'm going to copy from here. After that, we have to go to our Razorpay account to connect our webhook. Here we have landed on the dashboard of Razorpay, where I'm going to click on this account and setting options. Here you can see in this website and app setting box, it will provide you one option, that is webhooks. So I am going to click on this. Then I am going to add one new webhook. For that I am clicking on this plus add new webhook button. Here I am going to paste the webhook URL that we were copied from there. Here I have pasted. You can also write any secret number in this if you want to. After that, the action event we will take as payment captured on our workflow. After this, I am going forward to this create webhook button. Here you can see webhook saved successfully. Now I am going to click on this show all options. After that, you have to click on this payment pages button. Here I am going to teach you how to add your payment page into your Razorpay account. For that, I am going to click on this create payment page button. Here I am going to select the theme of the page, where I will go with this payment page. Here you can see it will automatically provide the structures of the payment page, in where you can also do many changes and make your page according to your preference. So here I am adding one product product and writing the details of that. Here you can see I have uploaded one product, that is black t-shirt, including some details about this t-shirt and the contact details. And now in this right hand side, here I'm going to add the payment details. It will already provide me 3 options, that is amount, email and phone. Here I'm going to click on this, that is fixed amount. Here I'm going to provide the amount 500. After that I'm going to click on the save button. Then for adding more input, I'm going to click on this input field, select as alphabets. After that write it as first name, then again last name. After that the phone number, pin code, city, etc. Here I have written all the inputs. After that I am going to click on this button, that is create and publish page. Here you can see it will provide you one message, that is your page is now live. Now I am going to copy this URL, click on a new tab and search this URL. Here you can see it will provide us same page that we have created, providing the inputs, that is email, phone number, first name, last name, city, pin code. So here I am filling this. Here I have filled, that is email is testuser@gmail.com, provided one test number, first name is Mehruz, last name is Khan, also provided the city and the pin code. After that I am going to click on this pay option. Here you can see it will provide you multiple payment options, that is UPI, cards, net banking, wallet, pay later. Here I am going to pay this with UPI. Here you can see it will respond to us like this. We have to wait for a few seconds. Here you can see our payment is done successfully. Now we will get back to our automation. Here you can see I have received all the response that I have provided there. Now our trigger application is done. So here I am going to add one filter step after the Razorpay. For that I am clicking on this and select the action application as number formatter. Here I have selected and the app event I'll select as perform math operation. After that I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will connect it successfully. Then it will provide you 2 options, that is numbers and operation. You can also read the instruction below, that is enter the number. Here you can enter the comma separated values to perform the operation. Example 100, 200 for 100 plus 200. Now I am going to map the amount by clicking on this and select the responses that we have captured from Razorpay. Here I have mapped. After that we are going to write one comma and one number, that is 100. After that the operation we are going to select as divide. It will provide you multiple operation. Here I use this divide so that the amount will be divided by 100 and the exact amount of the product will be stored. For that we are going to click on this save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. See, we have received the accurate value of our product. After that you have to click on this save button. It will saved. Now the next application I'll take as Google Sheet, as I want to store my users leads into my Google Sheet. So for that I'm clicking on this plus button and select my action application as Google Sheet. Here I have selected, then the app event I'll take as add new row. After that I'm going to click on this connect button. You can see it will provide me 2 options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. So here I am going with add new connection, then sign in with Google. It will ask me to select the account. Then after clicking on this continue button, see my Google Sheet is successfully connected to my Pabbly. I already created this Google Sheet before. I'll give you a quick review of this Google Sheet. See, so this is my Google Sheet by the name of log payments from Razorpay to Google Sheet. Here it is connected, then provided me the section that I have mentioned in my Google Sheet, that is first name, last name, phone number, email, city, pin code and amount. So here I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have captured in my trigger application, that is Razorpay. For that I am clicking on this and doing the mapping of the Razorpay response. At first I have done the mapping of the first name, then the last name, after that the phone number, then the email ID, after that the city, then pin code, then amount. Here you have to make sure that the mapping of amount can be done by the number formatter, not the Razorpay. So here I am selecting this and done the mapping of the result. See, here I have done done the mapping, then I am going to click on this save and send test request button. See, we have got the positive response, and also one test data will be delivered to our Google Sheet like this. After that, you have to click on this save button. Here, the most important step in this Google Sheet is that you have to make sure that the send on event option should always activated. Now our automation is completed. You also have to enable this so that your workflow can be enabled. So here, as soon as this, whenever your users can be done the payment through Razorpay, then automatically all their leads will be added into your Google Sheet like this. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. You can also do this automation. I'll provide the link of this workflow in the description box.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect. If you like the video, then you can give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.